10x squared plus 5x plus 2. Substitute f of x is equal to negative 3. 10 times negative 3 squared plus 5 times negative 3 plus 2. Negative 3 squared is equal to 9. 5 times negative 3 is equal to negative 15. 10 times 9 minus 15 plus 2. 10 times 9 is equal to 90. Negative 15 plus 2 is equal to negative 13. 90 minus 13 is equal to 77. 7x squared minus 4x. Substitute f of x is equal to 7. 7 times 7 squared minus 4 times 7. 7 squared is equal to 49. 7 times 49 minus 4 times 7. 49 times 7 is equal to 343. Negative 4 times 7 is equal to negative 28. 343 minus 28 is equal to 315. Then x squared plus 3x plus 4. Substitute f of x is equal to 5. 10 times 5 squared plus 3 times 5 plus 4. 5 squared is equal to 25. Positive 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 10 times 25 plus 15 plus 4. 10 times 25 is equal to 250. 250 plus 15 plus 4 is equal to 269. (15x raised to 4 minus 9x cubed plus 4x squared plus 11). Replace all x with negative x. 15 times negative x times negative x times negative x times negative x. Minus 9 times negative x times negative x times negative x. Plus 4 times negative x times negative x. And bring down positive 11. (15x raised to 4 plus 9x cubed plus 4x squared plus 11). Therefore, the given function is an odd function. (50x raised to 7 plus 47x raised to 5 minus 10x cubed minus 12x plus 7). Substitute all the given value of x to negative x. 50 times negative x 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 plus 47 times negative x 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 minus 10 times negative x times negative x times negative x minus 12 times negative x, and bring down positive 7. Negative 50x raised to 7 minus 47x raised to 5 plus 10x cubed plus 12x plus 7. Therefore, the given function is neither. X raised to 8 plus 25x raised to 4 minus 25x cubed plus 12x squared minus 10. Substitute all the value of x to negative x. 49 times negative x 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 plus 25 times negative x times negative x times negative x times negative x minus 25 times negative x times negative x times negative x plus 12 times negative x times negative x and bring down negative 10. 49x raised to 8 plus 25x raised to 4 minus 25x cubed plus 12x squared minus 10. Therefore, the given function is an even function.
Ba 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 banana, ba 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 banana, oh ba 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 banana, Yo plano fu, la pano no tu, ma banana la